Ladies, chika, pasabog na chismis ngayong umaga. Mati ni Idol, Danny Pangilinan confirms his marriage to longtime partner Bel Mariano and opens up about finding his person and the actress during a recent interview with Showbiz Insider. Sadya na ikinanganga ng mga marites. I found my person, my wife. She's my best friend and I'm the happiest I've ever have been when I'm with her. But I also have never felt so supported and safe. Period.